Okay, man, forget the intro. We're about to check out Lisa and Rosalía, this iconic collab. Lisa, New Woman featuring Rosalía. If you don't know who Rosalía, wake up, because the whole world does know. And if you don't know Lisa, then you wake up yourself. How'd you even find this video? But New Woman, this is the second song she's putting out, if I'm not mistaken, because Rockstar, like of this year, Rockstar, this is New Woman. I think there's another one out there somewhere. I'm not sure. Don't quote me. I don't really know. But without further ado, let's check this out, shall we? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Is there a caption? What is this? Is it all in English? Huh. I'm curious. Oh, damn, the razor. It's an interesting intro. Wait, hold up. Lisa featuring Rosalía. New Woman. Okay, we going retro? Dave Myers. Oh.
Here I go. Banging it, wanna crack these walls. Banging it, wanna
oh.
Pulling up fresh face, brand new Dia.
What an interesting beat, by the way.
These walls. Banging it, wanna echo through the halls. Pulling up fresh face, brand new Dia. La Lisa Rosalía.
Ooh, bro. Say that again. I'm speechless.
Pulling up fresh face, brand new Dia. La Lisa Rosalía.
La Lisa Rosalía.
I'm sipping a soju.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there.